Okay guys, this is the last one from this series doing this tornado destruction, and I hope that you like this series. I had fun doing it, so let me know. But this one will be quite easy. I think will be the easiest from all what we did, and it is to... Wait, what happened there? Okay, here we go. So what we will do is break these tiles from the floor, and I think that from all what we did, this will be pretty easy. Let's open Tyflow. Let's turn off the leaf and the branches, and let's create a new one. Display geometry. Let's do a bird objects, and we will select all these tiles. Tile floor, that's great that we organized this before. All this here, and yeah, so what we want to do, we will center all the pivots, and we don't want to that all of this flies away because it will look too crazy. I want that some of them over time they get released from the floor, and when it's close by and they fly away, but not all of them, only some. It will be pretty basic, and like 5 or 6 of them they fly away. So first we will need drag and drop. I would like to have a surface select. This surface select will be based with that, and let's display this orange. Yes, let's... what happened here? Okay, that's an error, but whatever, we will ignore it for now. I don't know what I was trying to do. Yes, I want to hide this tiles floor, and we have Tyflow. I will change this simulation because now this will be very fast. I will set auto, and okay, I would like to be this based by distance. What is this pivot point? Actually, another thing. So surface test, only do surface test when it's needed, because on this case will not make any difference if it's surface test or if it's based on pivot. We will switch this to be instead of a surface test will be an object test, because this will be way faster. Instead of this needs to iterate over the polys, this will iterate just over the distance. So try to make it as fast as possible. And yeah, this will be when the distance is bigger than, I don't know, 50 will be that. Yeah, you can see already that I think it's faster. But something weird is happening here. No, it's not weird because it's over time. I was like, why it's not a circle? So this will be the affection that we will have. I will like that it's bigger, maybe 90. Yeah, so all these will be the ones that can fly away, maybe something like that. From camera, let's go. Yeah, this looks like about right. I don't want all of them, so one thing that we can do is do filters, enable, add, not by position. There we have a random value 0 to 100, less than, I don't know, 5%. So these ones will be the ones that will fly away. I think it's good. Yeah, so it's not all, it's only some of them. But I don't want that it's all at the same time. So what I like to do on these cases, add an intermediate, well, this can be good. The force will not be here. I will change this to red, that this one it will fly away. And I will do this based on time. So let's do a time test. And it will be, I don't know, 20 frames with a variation of 20. So now, when they are selected, you can see that first will be selected, and after a while they will turn red. And I think that this while needs to be longer. So 40 and 40, in total will be 80 frames, maybe 60 and 60, so will be 120 frames in total. Yes, I like this more, I think. Let's go 50. Okay, and then what happened is that we will add force here. And we have the helpers already created. We will need a vortex. Shaking, I don't think that we need shaking. And tailwind upwards. Yes, we can have this. And now, yeah, we have this thing. Okay, this works. Now, it's going a little too fast. We will add slow. So it slows down this. Then we will need, and I like it, I will need a spin. And I will like a physics shape because maybe we would like all these to interact with other stuff. So here, physics shape, and then spin. Kind of spin quite fast because let's go to camera. And let's play this. Pretty cool. Yeah, now what happened with this? These elements are not getting attracted because they are too far away, and that's a problem. So easiest thing is that we can constrain a little this. We could do another rule that based on distance they go into gravity, but this is happening because they are too far away. The problem is that because we have this time range, yeah, you see, this gets activated there, but the problem is that, for example, this one, when it gets activated, it's too far away already. And that can be a problem. We have all these elements. So let's see if decreasing this a little, they will get released a little before, so they will get there. Maybe it's good that it doesn't happen, doesn't pass so much time. Yeah, look, I think that this is good enough. Because yeah, 40-40, and maybe we will reduce a little this distance so we will not get so many particles. Where it is, there. Instead of 100, let's go to 90. Let's decrease a little this distance, and let's increase a little the elements that are getting sucked. And with that, we have all these, and still some, this fucker. Yeah, something like that. I think it's fine. It's cool because we have these things closer to camera that we see how they've ripped off. And yeah, now what we will do is simulate all this together because we didn't see yet all together, and this will take a while. We will basically activate everything, and what happens when you activate everything is that sometimes you get some problems here and there that we will need to fix, but sometimes it's quite everything working as expected. For example, something I realized, we have the ground collision. If we have the ground collision, it's good to remember that maybe when we create this thing and we add physics shape, it will interact with the ground, so ignore star penetrations will be something that can happen. Well guys, this is the final result that we did. If you have been following this course, I think it's pretty good. everything working together. For sure there are some stuff that could be improved. Maybe the velocities here are a little too fast for the props mostly, but yeah, other than that I think everything works pretty good, better than expected. For sure I will decrease maybe a little the velocities in some parts, but well, it's a tornado, so I hope that you enjoy this series of tutorials and you learn a lot with Tyflow. That was basically the main point of all these tutorials, and yeah, I think that we did quite a lot of interesting stuff between the house, doing clustering. The clusters, I think that works very well. We did cables, we did different props, we did the trees, and yeah, all together working, I think that very nicely. And yeah, thanks a lot to all my patrons that makes these videos possible, and see you on the next course that I will do. Let me know what things are you interested on, or things that could be interesting for you to cover. Yeah, sorry for my dog. So when I found something that everyone is interested, I could tackle this one. Thank you guys, see you soon, bye.